The detox soup recipe combines things that help cleanse the body. The recipes were formulated to help with fat loss without compromising people's health, ridding the human body of toxins acquired from the irregular diet, excessive fully processed foods, which contain abusive amounts of dyes, preservatives, among others. Have a look at these tasty soups we've selected for you. In this video, I will give you 5 recipes to lose weight quickly, and in the description, there are links to other very important videos that can also help you. Benefits of detox soups. Soups for slimming and detoxifying are manufactured from specific food sets and regulated quantities. Increased and adequate nutritional values. These light and complete meals have gained popularity as a fast and practical method of fat loss, accumulating fewer calories and fats and avoiding the danger of exaggeration at the table. The advantages of consuming detox soups are numerous, as well as weight loss. Detox soup is an effective way to avoid hunger, for instance, as it causes a sense of satiety that frees the human body from the compulsion for food. The detox soup for quick fat loss also helps to balance the metabolism, speeding up the method and causing the inpatient to finish up losing weight more quickly and naturally. The herbs and vitamins distributed in its composition have an anti-inflammatory function, as well as adding to the accumulation of lean mass, effective at ridding the human body of unwanted forms. Yam and pea soup. This recipe for yam detox soup is detoxifying and very tasty. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Half a clove of crushed garlic. 1 small grated onion. 2 diced skinless tomatoes. 2 diced medium yams. 2 diced medium carrots. 1 cup of diced zucchini. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh basil. Enough hot water to cover the vegetables. 2 cups of peas. 2 cups of chopped arugula. 1 spoon, dessert, of pink pepper. White sesame and crushed golden flaxseed to taste, salt to taste. Preparation method: heat a pan with the oil and sauté the garlic and onion for 3 minutes. Place the tomatoes, yams, carrots, zucchini, and basil in the container. Add hot water to cover the ingredients and cook until the vegetables are tender. Remove from the pan and let cool. Take the already cold ingredients to the blender and mix for about 3 minutes. In the same pan, sauté the peas with olive oil and the beaten vegetables. Add salt and cook for another 2 minutes. Put the spices to taste: arugula, flaxseed, and sesame. This detox soup recipe is likely to be successful. Green soup. Here is a recipe for detox soup to lose weight, very useful for those who have gastritis. Cabbage has healing and repairing properties of the stomach lining. 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 garlic cloves. 1 small grated onion. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. 50 grams of chopped green cabbage. 2 celery stalks. Half a cup of chopped parsley. 2 kale leaves in thin strips. 100 grams of ninja broccoli in a bouquet. 100 grams of cauliflower. 1 shallot in cubes. Salt and black pepper to taste. Method of preparation: heat a deep pan and sauté garlic, onion, ginger, and celery in coconut oil for 3 minutes. Add hot water to cover the ingredients and cook until the vegetables are tender. Remove from the pan and let cool. Take the already cold ingredients to a blender and blend for 3 minutes. Let cool and blend in a blender. Reheat, add spices and serve. Broccoli soup with zucchini. The recipe for detox soup for quick weight loss has high fiber content and a low glycemic index, helps to speed up metabolism, satiate and burn fat faster. And broccoli is a source of antioxidants and potent in calcium. 1 packet of broccoli. 1 large zucchini. 1 cup of finely chopped kale. 1 cup, coffee, of chopped fresh basil. Half a clove of crushed garlic. Half grated onion. 1 spoon, dessert, of pink pepper. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Salt to taste. Method of preparation: Heat a deep pan with oil and sauté the garlic, onion, basil, zucchini, and broccoli for 5 minutes. Put the cabbage in the same pan and add hot water until the ingredients are covered. Cook until the vegetables are tender. Remove from the pan and let cool. Take the cold detox soup recipe ingredients to a blender and blend for 3 minutes. Reheat, add spices and serve. Yam, carrot and cabbage soup. This simple detox soup recipe is simply delicious. 2 peeled yams, 1 carrot, 1 zucchini, 1 cup of chopped cabbage, 1 clove of minced garlic, half chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of turmeric or turmeric, 1 liter of water. Method of preparation: in a saucepan, put the water to heat. Chop the yam, onion and zucchini and place in the pan, adding the garlic and onion. Let it cook. Once cooked, beat in a blender until creamy. Return to the pan, place the chopped cabbage and wait for it to wilt. Add the saffron and a pinch of salt. Serve with a drizzle of olive oil. This detox soup recipe for weight loss will be successful. Carrot soup? Want to eat something tasty, nutritious and warm? How about this detox soup to lose weight? 2 diced carrots, 1 turnip diced, 2 crushed garlic cloves, half a tablespoon of thyme, 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, crushed almonds to taste, pistachio crushed to taste, salt to taste. Method of preparation: heat a deep pan of carrots, turnip, and garlic. Add hot water to cover the vegetables. Cook for 15 minutes. Put the thyme and salt. Wait another 5 minutes. Remove from the pan and let cool. Take the already cold ingredients to a blender and blend for 3 minutes. Reheat, add sunflower, almonds, and pistachios. Serve. Those were today's tips. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel, sharing the videos and watching other videos on the channel.